Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a tutorial using the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. Um, I have no idea what I'm gonna do at the moment, but this is how this palette looks. It's all bright colors, so let's get right into it. To start off, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, just pouring some onto the back of my hand and applying it evenly all over my face. Now I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender and just blend everything into my skin. I completely forgot to use a primer beforehand, but oh well. So just going on the sides, on the hairline, which is very, very important. And just slowly add more if you feel you need it. Now going in with the Bobbi Brown corrector for my under eyes, correcting the dark circles. I like to use my hands. I feel it's much easier and it warms up the product, giving it a better finish. And then just going in with the Beauty Blender again and blending it all in. After this, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer for my under eye. Just blending that in using the Beauty Blender as well. For some reason, I didn't really enjoy this concealer. I don't know why. I've heard a lot of good reviews and everything, but it wasn't my favorite. Now I'm just gonna go in with the MAC Select Cover Up concealer just to hide any blemishes or red spots around my face. Just gonna spot conceal, but then just go in with the Beauty Blender as well just to blend everything into the foundation and make it look even. Now using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Natural, I'm just setting in everything. I love the finish of this powder. I feel it's a finishing powder 2-in-1. So I try to press it into my skin as much as I can so I don't move the foundation around. Now going in with the Too Faced Soleil bronzer, just on my cheeks, my forehead, the sides of my nose, and my jawline as well. Now just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil, filling in the brows. It is a very quick, this is my quick brow routine, and I actually like this the best because I feel it looks the most natural. I'm not really a fan of the powder and gel. I just feel that looks too much. It doesn't really look that natural. So I like the pencils the best. And then going in with the Bobbi Brown eyebrow gel and brushing it through, setting them in place. Now using the MAC Shade Stick, I'm just putting it all over my eyelid to prime my eye and give it a nice shine as well. Sometimes I just use this and put a bronzer in my crease and I'm good to go. It's a very nice, quick, everyday look. Blending it with a flat shader brush. Now going into the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, I'm using that yellow shade and blending it into my crease. And then using a more fluffy crease brush to blend everything out. I'm then gonna go in with the orange shade and put that into my crease, but still letting the yellow through. So I'm gonna put it slightly lower than the yellow and just blending that in using the fluffy crease brush again. I'm using another palette. It's a MAC palette with a lot of brown shades, a nude color for my inner corner highlight, and then using a flat shader brush and using that beautiful blue color all over my eyelids. Just packing the color on. And then using a crease brush to blend everything in from the edges. I'm using that light nude shade again from the MAC palette and adding it to the center of my lids to give it some dimension, because I felt like it just looked too straight and I just wanted some highlight on the top center of my eyelids. Again, just adding some more of the orange shade to increase the intensity. Always remember that you can increase the intensity of your blush, bronzer, everything. So it's better to go back than to put too much at once. Now just adding my blush. This is a Tarte blush in a coral shade that I don't remember the name of. But I chose this shade because I wanted the crease color in my blush to tie in together, since I used a couple of colors. So I wanted one particular color to tie everything in together. Now going with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, just highlighting my cheeks and the center of my nose. Now with using a Urban Decay blue eyeliner, I'm just gonna line my waterline. And then gonna go with a smaller brush and add the orange shade on my lower lash line as well. Just blending it out. And now curling my lashes and adding a lot of mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Carbon Black Voluminous Mascara. This mascara is very good for layering. It layers up really well and I love it. So I'm just getting into the inner corner, the inner lashes and the outer lashes and building everything up. As well as my lower lash line, my lower lashes. Now for the lips, I'm using a peachy color in Cream Cup, and which is like a peachy nude color, and I feel like it ties in with the orange that's going on, and adding a Marc Jacobs orange, pinky orange lip gloss on top. Just finishing off with the setting spray, Urban Decay setting spray, and here's my final look. for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please do like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Thanks, guys. Bye.